My name is Adele MacLean. It's Adelemaclean. And I'm with Food Not Bombs. There's one Atlanta chapter, but Food Not Bombs chapters are all over the world. They've been going since the 80s. I think they started in Massachusetts, but now you can go to Bangkok. You can go to anywhere, Australia, and there'll be probably a Food Not Bombs chapter there because it's a very common radical anarchist thing to do. And I've been doing it since 2009 here in Atlanta, and before that I had done it in different places since 1998. And the reason that we do Food Not Bombs, it's kind of a multi-level reason. One thing is people need food, but another part of that is we want to show the world that people need food, so that the government can't just sweep homeless people under the rug, sweep poor people under the rug, and act like, oh, there's what problem? There is a homeless problem. People need to have places to live, food to eat. There's poverty, and the solution to that is not just to push them out of the city, which is what we're seeing with Central Atlanta Progress, just trying to make it as inhospitable for homeless folks as possible here, so that hopefully they go somewhere else. Well, guess what? Wherever they go, the government there is going to be doing the same thing. So we really need to solve this problem, not just push it away. So that's part of it. Another part of it is this all food that would have otherwise gone to waste that we get donated from different restaurants and food businesses. And they donate it to us because they're not even going to use it or anything. It would otherwise end up in the trash. So that's another part of this, is demonstrating that there's so much waste in the world. Some 40% of food that gets produced in the US just ends up in the landfill. So we could actually do this a different way, and there's enough food in the world for everybody to survive. And I think it's a crying shame that we still have people who are starving and people who are undernourished, because if we just made our priorities a little bit different, then we could actually make sure that nobody had to go hungry. Which leads me to another part of why we do this, and why it's called Food Not Bombs. Because if you look at the military budget compared to any other budget for anything in this country, it's huge. It's like 60% of the government's budget goes into straight military bombs, military equipment, stuff that we need to go over to other places and kill those people, and we're ignoring the people here who are hungry, and the people here who need education and housing and social services. So that is why the world looks like it does, because this is what our priorities have been, what our priorities have come to. Is we're neglecting everyone here, and we're going overseas and bombing everyone in all these different countries, and that's generating the rage